Good morning, YouTube friends and followers. My wife has made me do this today because I'm typically such a cheerful guy, as you all know. It's July 13th, our 31st day of being on the road. We have a down day. Much to our dismay, we're up against green wheat, so we got to sit it out today. I don't know if we'll roll tomorrow either. Time will tell. Take it a day at a time. That's all we do, is take it a day at a time. So anywho, we're gonna take this day and run some errands. I've been informed that the Colorado DOT might be set up the road today, making sure all the truckers are in good shape. So if they're still here, I'm going to stop and have a little visit to them to see if I'm doing everything that will suit them. Who knows, they might not be anymore. Stop and pick up a part that was left off at the elevator by my New Holland support team. Thank you very much, Monty and Carolyn. And then off on a little road trip on an area we used to work in to do a little checking down there. So that's our day. I hope to get a good meal somewhere along the way. I'm tired of sandwiches. Tracy's tired of eating them, and she's tired of fixing them. But that's what we signed up for. So, she'll have more later. Bye, guys.
And they're here. So, we're going to stop and see what we need to do to be on the up and up in the state of Colorado. Now we're back to the Stoneham elevator, picking up the part that our New Holland support team left for us this morning.
Yeah, he says I went home sitting in the house. Did he take some vacation? No, he said we burned the house down yesterday and I banged my leg and it hurts and I was limping around.
Some pretty big wheat fields in this territory. We're just north of Limon. And Jim's trying to drive like Mario Andretti, I think. Looks like they've got a nice crop up here. Sometimes it's pretty thin. That's Limon on the horizon. Coming down off of this bluff. Spent some time in that little place. So we used to cut in Limon. I'm not sure how many years, so this just kind of became one of our stops. Kind of fun being back, seeing the changes. Not many changes, but there are a few. This downtown area was hit by a tornado. I'm not sure what year. And one of the places that Jim likes to go eat is the south side, so that's where we're headed. Ooh, diesel 354 there.
Everything's always been high here.
Oh, looks like other people are wanting to eat there tonight. And then the KOA, oh my goodness.
It's fine.
See, Mario Andretti.
Nobody had to slam on any brakes. Don't chill.
Anyway, we used to stay out at the KOA camp, which is just a little bit further down the road that we were at, or that we were headed, east of town. Hey, Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.